So hello everyone. So from today onwards, I will just record all the Python classes. Okay, and every day I'll just record the session, and you guys can see it later if somebody is not able to join, and for some reason you miss the class, you can join it later. Okay, and so already, like I've already told you, we will deep dive into the Python, the advanced one, and the basic one, the Flask, Django, based on our time, right? So you'll complete all the syllabus. But the first thing is we have to focus on the Python basics, how we can install Python, how we can install Python in Windows, all the operating system. Then you will start from there. I'll just quickly share all those syllabuses right now is not with me. Okay, but once the classes will go on, then I can share all the syllabus and what is the uh, like how we'll proceed one by one. That syllabus I'll provide you. Okay, so Python is right now in demand, and today's topic I will focus more on in 2025 why we should learn Python. The first thing, otherwise there are a lot of other languages are available in the market. Yes or no? Many languages. But why in 2025, okay, we should learn Python? Are you getting? Okay, so before that, what is Python and who invented that? Like what they have done, how Python is being built. Before that, so first the buzzword like right now is market demand is Python, right? So why we should learn and what is the benefit of learning that, or maybe like why we should use that? Okay, so let me share my screen. So, so I've just created one PPT for you. Like, my name is Sarthak Saurabh Das. Okay, I have like currently 10 years of industry experience, and I have worked with Python and building chatbots, machine learning, data science, Spark, and worked with I am a data engineer, currently working as a senior data engineer. But I started my career as a Python developer, Python chatbot developer. I've got a chance to work in uh, good MNCs, and also I've worked with multiple clients who are from Singapore, US, England, China. So I have a good understanding of like how the market, how is the market of this Python language and the data science, all the trending things right now. You're getting, and so I can deliver my experience and I can show you like what I have learned. Okay, so we'll go step by step. Okay, so let me go to the next slide, which is today's agenda. So what will happen is, so every day a new slide will just come up after, like, suppose the second slide. So the next class, a third slide will come, fourth slide will come. Okay, so on. So in this way, so we can track our progress. Okay, what we learned and what we did. Okay, getting my point? Okay, so the first question I have already discussed with you: will you learn Python in 2025? Okay, so I'll just show you some kind of stats and statistics. I'll just share it with you. Okay, let me take you to this folder. Okay, so the first thing in PPT, what it is saying, list of fields where Python is used. Okay, that means which fields right now is using the Python? Is it only IT field, software field, electrical field, or like in which fields? Even if I am talking about only software, in software there are many fields are there, right? So let's see. Okay, so Python is a versatile language. What do you mean by extremely versatile? From AI, web development, database, for everywhere the Python is being used. I will come to each and every point, like what is AI, what is web development, what is database. Suppose some of the members here, maybe they are completely new to any programming language, completely new. They don't have any idea. Some of you may join who are just 12th pass out, or maybe they are just studying in first year or second year. Okay, so they don't have much idea. So I will cover each and everything. So first I will tell you there are many fields in the IT industry. We have many industries are there, right? Which are the industries? One is IT industry, mechanical, electrical, banking industry, yes or no, cricket industry, Bollywood industry. Many industries are there. Okay, so right now we're talking about only IT industry. IT industry means what happens? Even if suppose right now we are playing a Free Fire game or any kind of games, so that is belonging to the gaming platform, is a gaming field. Now suppose you have HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank, so they have given a UI for that, yes or no? So that means that is a web development, or maybe that is, you can say, that is chatbot is there, like in your HDFC and ICICI Bank, there is some person is there who is ready to help you. So that is a chatbot section, yes or no? And give me a second, let me see which network I have joined. Okay. So similarly, let's understand one by one how many fields are there where Python is being used. Data science, you already know that. What do you mean by data science? Data science means we are doing analyzing, visualizing, and just taking the insights from the complex data sets. What do you mean by that? So nowadays we have huge data. Suppose you are watching Hotstar or maybe any cricket, right? Football. Instead of just, so there is suppose a graph is coming, right? 1 to 7 hour power play, so only 10 runs is being added. Okay. In 7 to 15, suppose they have added 50 runs. So they are giving what they are giving in a graph. But those are a very small data. Similarly, think of a person, suppose a company, very big company. Think of suppose HDFC Bank. Okay. So actually, that means they have a CEO. They have a technical guy. They have all the employees. Now, whoever the CEO of the big company, okay, he may be the owner of 50,000 crores, or maybe he's a big guy. So he wants the update from the how much, what is our company's revenue, okay, how much profit we did in this financial year. So he wants that kind of analysis. You cannot just go to the CEO and you will just tell that, okay, in 2024 we did the profit of suppose $5 million, $10 million. He won't understand. You have to show him a dashboard kind of things so that he will understand, and he can see, okay, from 2024 to 2025, I have done this much progress. Our company has done this much of progress. Okay. So that happens in data science field. Okay. Machine learning. Machine learning means what? Weather prediction, right? Think of a scenario like upcoming 7 days are there, right? So in 3 days or 4 days are running. So there is a 60%, 70% chances that even the next day will rain. So you are predicting something. Okay. Deep learning. Okay. Deep learning is just similarly, it's just the advanced version of machine learning. Okay. Where neural networks and computer vision. So bit complex. Okay. So we'll come to that field also. Data analysis, I have already explained that data analysis also is part of the data science, but data analysis also can be a separate field also. Suppose you know that Power BI and Tableau guys are there. So their work is not to get involved in data science part. Their work is only they have got the data and they will analyze the data. Are you getting my point? So whoever are new here, you have not come to this all these things and all. So don't worry. So there are different fields. I will just explain you. Okay. Right now, I am only telling you after learning Python, you have how many options you have to join as a data scientist, data analyst, or statistics. Okay. Statistics, similarly, I'm not going one by one. Okay. Just bioinformatics, astronomy. What is this? GIS, data processing and mapping, physics, simulation, numerical computation, physics modeling, robotics. See, now I am just talking about that web development, right? This is common. Give me a second. Somebody is on my doorstep. Give me a second. Okay. So similarly, we have web development field, scripting, DevOps. Okay. Game development. I was talking about game development, right? Mobile apps and APIs, chatbots. I was working on chatbots. See, okay, test automations, cloud computing, this finance company, okay, cyber security, e-commerce, IoT, natural language processing, virtual reality, education, blockchain, media, language. So there are like once you learn Python, okay, so you will get a chance to work in this many fields. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay. If you will, if I will talk about myself, see, I will say in how many fields I have worked till now. I have worked in data science, I have worked in machine learning, worked in deep learning, data analysis, and I have worked in not this one, web development, scripting, DevOps, not mobile apps. I have worked in chatbots, test automation, cloud computing, e-commerce, IoT, this OpenCV, and this is the libraries. Okay, all these fields I've already worked. Okay, so you must be thinking like in my just 10 years of experience, how I have worked with this many fields. Actually, you can do, right? Because whenever you just switch your companies, right? So you don't know like in which field you have to work. Suppose I just initial days I was working as a Python developer, just a simple chatbot developer. Then I just applied my resume in some different field, that is suppose machine learning field. Then I again while I was working with machine learning, then I got a chance to work with deep learning. Similarly, after machine learning, deep learning thing, I just came to the data analysis field, right? Then data science field. So similarly, in my 10 years of a career, so I have worked with this many fields. So why this is versatile? So maybe if you will talk about a different company, a different language, suppose Java, .NET, and all. So they are very limited. So whenever you will talk about data science, machine learning, data analysis, okay, and suppose other things, okay, wherever it is coming to data, so Python is more versatile compared to other languages. So they are like hero. You getting my point? So I will just give you an example. So you guys are playing cricket, right? Yes or no? Or maybe you are watching cricket. Now tell me, there is a test cricket and a T20 cricket is also there. Now you tell me in T20 format, how many fields are there? You have IPL, you have PSL, BPL, Sri Lanka Premier League, Australia League, South Africa League, New Zealand League, West Indies League, even America League. Okay, so how many leagues are there? Even England League, they have also their league, own league. T20 World Cup. So in this T20, you have lot of other versions are there. But how many test versions you are seeing? Okay, you are only seeing the international test matches. Have you seen anywhere any IPL test matches are happening? So, but behind the scenes, this is all our language. Cricket is the language. But when cricket is becoming a T20, they have many versions are there. Are you getting my point? So similarly, even Java is a language, Python is a language. But when it is coming to Python, it's like a T20 for you. So it is easier syntax and it is more versatile. Like it can be used in many fields. Are you getting my point? You understood like why Python is popular nowadays. Okay. So I'm taking a pause here. So any questions related to these fields, or maybe you have any question, just feel free to ask me. Okay. Anyone? Any questions?
No.
Okay. So this is clear. List of fields where Python is used. Now I will just think about what is the Python career opportunities. Okay. Let me go to the next one. So after learning Python, so what you can become, or maybe what kind of opportunity you will get in the companies. Are you getting my point? Okay. So you can become Python developer, you can become backend developer, full stack software, API developer, quant developer, security engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, AI engineer, data analyst. So all this way you can become all these engineers. So if you will talk about me, so I have a Python developer in my initial career. Then I become data scientist. Okay, I was NLP engineer. Then I right now I'm data engineer. Similarly, you have a lot of other options are there. So this is right now it is showing 35 plus career paths are there. Are you getting my point? Similarly, you can become anything from this slide, whatever it is showing. Even the more fields will come. Okay. So think of a scenario. So right now, how many are there? Suppose 30 jobs are there. Okay. So 30 different varieties of jobs are there. Now suppose we have suppose in Python developer, suppose 10 or 15 companies they have the Python developer. Okay, it is more than that actually. In if you talk about the all over the world, there are like suppose 1,000 companies or maybe 2,000, 5,000 companies who have that Python developer roles are there. Similarly, if I'll just multiply 5,000 into 30, how it will become? Like how much it will be? So it will be like around 3,000, sorry, 5,000 companies into 30 is like around 1.5 lakh or something. So this many jobs are available. Even I can just guide you to that job portals and all how many jobs are available in the Python fields. So suppose few people from UE actually is the fresher. Okay. So for now you have to start as a Python developer. You cannot just directly jump to the data center. You can, but the percentage is very low because data scientist and this data engineer is bit advanced field. So you have to join as a backend developer, Python developer, or maybe cloud developer, something like that. So 80 and 90% cases it happens. Okay. Once you are like very much confident in Python developer and backend developer roles, so you can become anything. Like you can become anything. Like you can become a test engineer, automation engineer, DevOps. You can become anything, right? But you have to just give yourself a just 1 year or 2 years of chances. But right now, I have seen many freshers are being joining as the data engineer or a data scientist. You can do okay, but before that, you have to learn Python very well so that you can crack the interviews and you can understand all those concepts. Any questions from this slide? Give me a second.
No.
So now just let's talk about the Python salaries. Okay, globally, okay, let's see about the Python salaries. So I have another slide for now. So this is the like what it is saying that. So after learning Python, you must be thinking about how much package we can expect. So this is the package is like it's depends company to company, experience to experience, your talent. Okay, so everything it is just matters. Okay, but if you'll see that United States, Switzerland, all those like developed countries, Australia, Germany, Canada, UK, Singapore, India. Okay, so these are the places actually it's not about the Python, though these are the companies where the ITs are more active than the other countries. If you can see now, Europe also, Netherlands, Germany, France, so Poland. Okay, so in these countries, like, there is a huge demand of any programming language. It's not about the only Python. But here, like, see, but according to the your language, okay, the price varies. Okay, the average salary of a Python developer and average salary of a PHP developer, it varies actually. Okay, a average developer of a Python developer and a data scientist guy, that will vary, definitely vary. Okay, so if I'll just tell a example about like how much an Indian person is earning, so it is what how much it is reduced. It's 11 lakhs. It's the average. I'm saying just zero to 5 years of experience guy, he's earning 11 lakh. You're getting my point yearly. Okay. Similarly, if I just talk about any USA, so it is like 1 crore or maybe 80 lakhs. So because we get a so how much, like $1 lakh or something like that we get whenever I see some like their job descriptions and the salary. So it came like 121,071 USD dollar. Okay, Switzerland is the more advanced country, and they have like their cost of livings are high, so you can expect a more money in Switzerland. Australia also similarly like that. Germany, my friend is in Netherlands, so their range are like from 50 lakh, 70 lakh in Indian monies. Okay, UK also is very good. Singapore is very good. Not sure about Israel, Japan, and France and all, but it's good. Okay, and India is also decent salary for 11 lakh, means 0 to 5 years guy can easily earning like 11 lakhs. Okay, so this is just giving an example. Like once you learn Python, so you have a very good pay package you can expect. And I have seen people like just 3 or 4 years of experience, they are earning like 30 lakhs per annum. Okay, this is common. Now, like salaries, this much of salary is now common. Okay, there is no question about it. It's all depends upon how you are preparing for the interview, how you are like uh, mm, preparing for interview, and how much talent you have, how you are uh, like how you are just explaining all those things to the interviews, right? It all depends on that. How much you'll do the hard work, so that much money. So because that is not a fixed salary for anything, right? Getting my point? Any questions about that, other guys? Any questions regarding salary? Guys, this is most important chapter. We are learning Python not only for charity, right? Okay, so it is asking something. It will end in 10 minutes. Let's see. Okay. So what we can go to the next one is list of companies which are using Python. Okay. Let me do one thing. List. Just a second, guys. Now the next questions comes to our mind, like who is companies which are using Python, right? Let me go to this slide. See, like top tech giants like Google, Meta, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Netflix, Dropbox, Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, okay, OpenAI, Nvidia, DeepMind, Tesla, IBM, Intel, DigitalOcean, Heroku, Bitbucket, Airbnb, Quora, Robinhood, Zomato, Razorpay, NASA. So this like, see, like these companies and very 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 big companies, all like $1 billion companies, they are using Python. Now think of a scenario. I was talking about that your salaries, right? Suppose you got a chance to work with Google. You can expect how much you will earn. Facebook, Amazon. So this and everybody's like dream, like okay, we should get place in the companies, something like this. How? First, they will test you with your coding ability. They will give you a question, suppose a data structure question or maybe any questions, problem solving question. Any problem solving question. So they will expect you to solve it using Python or any language. No, I'm not talking about a Python. Okay, they are like it's not like only Python they will expect. But the thing is, behind the scenes they are using that Python. Okay, so these many companies they are using Python, and it's not a only 30 list. Okay, this I am just talking about the top 30 companies that are using Python. There must be like another like 1,000 or 2,000 companies that are using Python. Okay, so this also you have to understand because if you don't know which companies are using, so otherwise only 4 or 5 companies are using Python, then what is the need of learning Python also, right? So don't worry about this like Python's future and all. All the big companies, even startup companies, small companies, medium-sized companies, all are using Python behind the scenes. Okay, what is the next? Let's see how many jobs are available in the market. If I'll just type jobs, okay, let me go to the jobs. So this is the LinkedIn. So this is like where you search your jobs and all. If you'll search about Python, just Python, I'm searching Python job in India, suppose. Why it is not searching? See how many jobs are there in India? 90,594 results. Okay, think like suppose 20 or 30K jobs or 30,000 jobs are fake jobs. But still you have 60,000 jobs are there in India right now. They want 60,000 candidate. Sorry, 60,000 jobs means that means in one company might take 5 or 10 people also. So there is like even 2 lakh 3 lakh people there just they want as a Python developer or maybe anything where like Python is being used. Suppose think about the senior Python developer, what they are saying. Must have skill of Python, Flask, Django, microservices architecture. Okay, just take a random one. Python developer, 4 years of experience. Okay, this is all the Python. So you should know all these Pythons and all, right? And see, chance to collaborate with dynamic companies across UK, US, Canada, and Australia. Okay. See how many Python jobs are there. So you should not worry about the jobs and all. Okay, we will not get the job, we will not do things. So you have to first fight for that. There are enough jobs are available. 90,000 jobs are available. That doesn't mean like if they don't get any person, that means he can just take anyone's profile and he will just give you the job. No, if they are not satisfied, they won't take the like candidate, right? Are you getting my point? Okay. Similarly, I will just search USA. 2,15,100 results. Think about Germany. 86,409. Dubai. 1,000. Singapore will be more. Definitely. 7,000. Because small country, right? UK. United Kingdom. 36,534 results. Australia. 8,396 results. So now you got the idea, right? Like how many jobs are available and like what is the benefit of learning Python? Getting my point? So right now, so that's it for today because we have just I'll just give a hint like just explain to you like why you should learn Python, what is the benefit of using Python, which companies are using Python, in which fields the Python is being used. Okay. Similarly, if you will see, there are this many libraries are there. Python libraries are there. What do you mean by Python libraries? Libraries means so you can install all the like maybe third party or maybe Python's package. You can install it. Okay, see, web development, this many libraries are available. Libraries means so that Django will do a different job, Bottle, Pyramid, Flask, they will do different job. So for data science field, we have to work with NumPy. They work with different tasks and they do a different job. Okay, for machine learning thing, we have this many libraries for GUI development. So Python have lot of libraries. Even like I can say the highest number of libraries. Database automation, so testing, so almost like 80% libraries I have already worked with. Okay. Game development. This list includes the 50 plus essential Python libraries across different domains. Okay. In our upcoming chapter, we will learn about this Django, Flask, NumPy, Pandas, Plot.ly, Scikit-learn. All those things we will learn. Don't worry. But not right now. Data science, machine learning, a different topic and different subject that doesn't come under Python because the advanced version. Or this is the where by using Python, we can learn data science and machine learning. That is not the part of the core Python. Getting my point? So that's it for today. Okay. Any questions? We will just stop the recording after that. Okay. So any questions or any doubts? So you can ask me.
No, sir. So thank you.
Okay. Let me stop sharing and stop recording. Then we can ask take the questions. Let me stop recording.